I'm finally grown up and I'm ready to buy my first house. Let's go. So we found 15 homes on Zillow, but we want a move-in date of 4 months. Is that okay? I know that you're a realtor and 3% is the standard, but I mean, a lot of these other listings are doing like 2% and 1.5%. I mean, I think about going with Redfin. I need what's a pre-approval letter? They sign the contract? So when do we move in? 30 days? Oh yeah, I definitely want the home warranty. That'll save me thousands. How much are inspections? Do we really need it? My dad used to install countertops in the 90s. You think he could do the inspection? I got a USDA loan. What are these closing costs you're talking about? Hey Mom, we made the offer on the house and we are so excited to move in. Hold on, I'm getting a call from my realtor. Hey, what do you mean we got outbid?
Wow, it's beautiful, so open.
I don't like the couch.
Oh, well the furniture doesn't come with it.
Oh my God.
All right, this is the master bedroom, really open, nice with floors.
Has someone lived here before?
Well, yeah. Okay, this is the last one on our list. What do you think?
It seems kind of old.
What do you think about this kitchen?
Too small. It's too dusty in here.
Oh, come on. I'm done.
Oh God! whatever show you're putting on, we're digging it.
Ready?
I don't want to come across as gay, but it might happen. It might happen.